At Scania, innovation meets craftsmanship. Join us as we take you inside the world's leading heavy-duty truck.
Watch your swing radius. Setting it down now. All clear on the left.
Heavy one.
Yeah, careful with that. This aluminum is light today.
Safety and environmental care are our top priorities. Safety is paramount in every step of the sorting process.
We continuously monitor to minimize environmental impact.
Did you see the update on the schematics for the suspension?
Yeah, the new robots handle it automatically now.
Every component is rigorously tested to meet Scania's exacting standards.
Remember, lift with your legs, not your back. Proper posture prevents injury.
Safety is a core value in every stage of production.
I'm adjusting the fabrication schedule for the next shift. Confirm material flow with the floor manager.
Confirmed. The next shipment is secured and on schedule.
Looking good, right? This decal is smooth.
Yeah, it really is. The red paint job is flawless now. We did great work.
Strict safety protocols. Strict safety protocols protect workers from paint fumes and chemicals.
Check the alignment on the rear panel.
Looks good from here, moving to the next sequence.
Does the alignment look good on your side?
Yes, perfectly aligned. I just finished the wiring harness.
Every truck undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure perfection.
The pressure looks good on the tablet. Rims are torqued down.
Just need to sign off on the wiring harness. Look at the size of this display. It's incredible how advanced these are now. The torque is unmatched.
We're really proud of the sustainability efforts. The diagrams here show the closed-loop manufacturing process for the battery pack.
Very innovative.
Look, I point to this truck because it represents everything Scania stands for. The reliability, the efficiency, it's simply the best on the road.
Committed to building sustainable communities and a greener future.
Scania, powering progress with passion, precision, and purpose. From raw materials to powerful machines, every truck is a testament to precision and passion.
Our dedicated team ensures every truck meets the highest standards.
Innovation drives the future of heavy-duty truck manufacturing.
Look at the fracture point here. The yield strength is much higher than we projected.
Yes, and the elongation percentage confirms the improved durability.
Sustainability is at the core of our innovation.
Look at this spike in the sustainability metrics. It correlates directly with the production output here.
Yes, the efficiency gains are significant. We should implement this across all sectors.
From raw materials to powerful machines, every truck is a testament to precision and passion.
Our dedicated team ensures every truck meets the highest standards.
At Scania, every truck is a symbol of precision and sustainability.